Hi everyone, my name is Melissa, and in this video I want to take a closer look at the EachExpression in Power Query's M language. Many of the standard library functions take functions as arguments. Often those parameter functions are unary. This means they take just one single argument. In the documentation we can read that the EachExpression is synthetic sugar or shorthand for declaring untyped functions taking a single formal parameter, named the underscore. When you see each, you should know that the formula or expression after it will be applied to each item in a list or column, for example. The underscore parameter can be used to access the current item. However, when used in combination with the lookup operator to select fields or columns, the underscore can often be omitted. Let's go to the Power Query editor to see some examples. Here's a small sample, and we'll filter this table down to years greater than 2020. First, we'll use a function expression. A set of parentheses with in between the underscore, followed by the goto sign, a equals or greater than sign, prefix the variable to the column or field name, to select rows from the table where years are greater than 2020. In the second example, we can see that because we're using the lookup operator to select a field or column, we are also allowed to omit that underscore. In the third example, we see that using the EachExpression, we can pass the nameless variable, represented by the underscore, to achieve the same result. Or, as we see here in our final example, omit that underscore when using lookup to select a field or column. Let's return all of the rows from this table and use the user interface to filter the table down. So I'll select that filter option, number filters, greater than 2020, and press OK. Inside the formula bar we can see that this generated exactly the same M code as our last example. From a write and readability standpoint, the last two versions are equal and definitely more easy to understand. Luckily, when using the user interface to design your query, the M engine will, in by far most cases, use this shorthand in the generated M code for you. That's it for now. I hope you've enjoyed this one. Thank you so much for watching. All the best.
Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Enterprise DNA TV. If you enjoyed the content covered in this particular tutorial, please throw the video a like. It really helps us and we really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Enterprise DNA TV channel. We have a huge amount of content coming out all the time from myself and a range of content creators, all dedicated to improving the way that you use Power BI and the Power Platform. Lastly, check out Enterprise DNA's website. Plenty of resources and further learning that you can access very easily. All the best. Take care.